My name is Rasso Bartenschlager. I'm the General Manager of the Masaood Power Division, which we're here today at the Dubai Middle East Energy Conference or Exhibition 2023. Masaood Power Division is in the market for 45 years, and the core business of us in the past was power generation applications. It is the diesel engines as well as alternators as a total generator, individual as parts as a component. MEE means the Middle East Electricity Energy. Is an exhibition which we are from the very beginning a part of, and we are very proud of. I mean, we have seen obviously the market going up and down. We have seen COVID the last couple of years, and I think this year is a very good example that meeting with customers, meeting with clients, it's very important for the business. We get a lot of feedback from customers, from clients, also from the market when it comes to where the tendency, where the trends are going. And I think here is a good place in the Middle East to talk to people and everybody come together. So we are here today at the Volvo Penta stand, our supplier principal from Sweden. We have two engines here. One is the brand new D17 engine, which is the biggest power to weight ratio engine in its size. It will be launched, or it is launched here today. However, it will be up for sale end of the year. It's an engine which is very much expected from the clients, from the market, as it is for his potential and his capacity very small in size. On the other hand, we have a replacement of the, let's say, phased-out models, which is the D8 engine. Again, here we're the most efficient, most power-to-weight ratio engine, and it's a high-demand engine in the moment in the market. On top of it, we have the first concept of the Volvo Penta battery solution, which we have also here on the stand, and it means also battery storage becomes more and more important, also to bring more efficiency of engines and combination with hybrid solutions to the market of our power generation solution. One reason why we launched this engine here today is obviously the demand in the market right now. We have a lot of different applications which demand high capacity of engines. However, also sustainability and efficiency plays a big role for our clients now, where clients need to pay for fuel. Fuel became more expensive. The TBO, the time to be overhauled of engines, makes a role. So with having these two new engine models here, we are trying and we are going to cover a market area which everybody in the market was expected to. So Masaood as a company, and we as a division of Masaood Power Division, one part of our strategy is to bring and to propose sustainable solutions to the market. We have started 1.5 years ago with a product or a brand called Shams Plus, which is a solar battery hybrid solution to charge vehicles. But this is not the only part we have today. We are talking to clients how they can reduce their fuel consumption by using solar, using batteries to store energy as well. On the other hand, we have the combination of what we created for EV charging, Shams Plus, for different applications now. We do marine charging. We have industrial applications where we charged by solar power, as well as we are going into a possible hydrogen production on a micro scale. Means the hydrogen which is generated through solar systems and battery storage, as well as then hydrogen through electrolyzer, is then used either in hydrogen combustion engine or in fuel cells to generate electricity. So as an overall, Masaood is trying very much to differentiate and bring new products in, which going into the diversification of sustainable products. However, the engines which you see today here will obviously bridge, I would say, the demand for the time being to get as close as possible to the most efficient engines. And then we have also the engines here which are able to use HVO fuel. With this HVO fuel, the operation can be actually more efficient in terms of carbon footprint. So we have a possibility here to reduce the carbon footprint by 90% by the engine running just by changing the fuel, not doing anything with the engine itself. As we have launched Shams Plus 1.5 years ago, as I mentioned, we have an update on it that the first project has been actually designed and also presented to client and sold. So that means we have used the platform of Shams Plus, put it into a commercial application, and we are going to deliver it basically by May this year to the client to be completely off-grid and to operate a plant which the client is running there just on sustainable solar power. Solar power is used during the daytime to operate the plant as well as to charge batteries, and during the nighttime basically the battery is 100% responsible to operate the plant on green energy which comes from the solar during the daytime. We're talking about demand in general for our fossil fuel driven engines, which we have also here today. We see obviously still an increase in demand because of the, let's say, today's situation. We have areas where there's no electricity which needs to be covered immediately. We have areas where existing equipment needs to be replaced because of requirement of the operation. However, we also see quite a high demand on our solar solution, Shams Plus, as example. If you look at the market right now, we see a year-on-year growth by over 20%, which is, I believe, very, very tangible and makeable. However, there is not only one solution. Solar will be one. Battery is an addition to it. There will be another one. Hydrogen will be one. There's not one solution or one fit all solutions. However, with the strategy we have in the moment is to follow at least the ones which are tangible today and which gives solution to a customer which he can actually use in a short period of time and actually also last for some time. So sustainable is another part of our company's growth. We are investing in it, and I believe it will be in the next couple of years doubling our business by just replacing it with sustainable energy solutions. The battery storage solution, which has been presented here as a concept today of Volvo Penta, is a very interesting one. It has basically a high discharge rate. It has a high charging rate. That it means it can be used for equipment which is using a lot of electricity in a short period of time, and it can be also charged very quickly. So when it comes to mobile applications, if it's earth-moving equipment, any other moving equipment which needs to have this kind of discharge of the battery, electricity consumption, this is a very, very good tool coming up now. It can be used in here and helps a lot to actually support the mobile applications to grow fast and turn into electrification, which obviously a battery is required. Being here at the exhibition the last 2 days, I would say, it is very interesting to see a lot of new faces, to see also faces which are many years in the industry. And I wish all the visitors and vendors and the exhibitors here successful 2023, and everybody's supposed to stay safe. Thank you.